So, looking ahead, what signs can you see what's coming up?
There's a triangle. Is that a roundabout sign?
Okay. What type of roundabout is this?
Is that a mini roundabout?
Good. Open or close view?
Open.
Slow down, check your mirrors. Tell again, open or close view?
Closed.
So what we do, look at that car just emerge from there, isn't it? Yeah? Anyone else coming?
No.
Quickly check your mirrors and go now. You were looking ahead, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's a good one. I'm going to explain to you about this in a minute. Now, quickly I'm going to ask you, so that roundabout when you were approaching, you always need to ask yourself when you're approaching, do we have a junction on your right? That is the first question you should be asking yourself. Is there any road coming from the right?
There was, yeah.
If that is coming, then you ask yourself a second question. Would I be able to see early who's coming from the right or not?
No.
If the answer yes, that means it's an open view. If there was a wall or hazard or something, means you may need to prepare to stop and then do your ladder. So at that point, there was definitely a closed view junction. Like that car emerged on the last minute, you didn't know that because you were focusing ahead. Now the mini roundabouts have got a different layouts. Remember that. Now look ahead. How many blue signs can you see in a circle?
As in 3 arrows?
No, how many blue lamppost signs you can see there?
2.
2, well done. So what are they telling you? How many roundabouts are there?
2.
They said we call them twin roundabouts. A lot of people misunderstand this. So you have got first roundabout here, and then the second roundabout is further down as well. Now look at the first roundabout layout, not the second one. What is that telling you? Is that an open or the closed view roundabout, the first one? What do you think?
Closed, because you can't fully see from this junction how far, if there's a car coming, right? Like it'll be a bit quite late.
You are thinking wrong. Who do we give it to on the roundabout? What are the highway courses? Right or ahead? If the ahead car want to go left,
so then it's open.
So it's open view. Yeah, because there's no right road, you're potentially looking ahead, but as you're going to go past, you do need to quick glance on your left. I'm not saying do that. This quick glance on the left will solve the problem. Okay, now looking at the second roundabout, what do you think? Is it an open or closed view looking from here? What do you think?
From here, closed.
Why is a closed one?
Because we can't see
who's coming from the
right.
Good. Now, do we have got a road on the left? No. Now, there is a car coming from there. If this car is not indicating, where is this car is going?
Straight.
Good. Now, what if that car indicating that he's going around the roundabout? Then what would you do? You stop and give it to them. Now, is that a bit more clear to you, or do you have any question on this?
That makes more sense.
Now, every time when you're approaching the roundabout, regardless if it's major roundabout or the mini roundabout, what's the best speed you should be on?
15
or less. Yeah, good. Is that crystal clear now? What if the roundabout is a closed view and you 100% sure it's a closed view? Then would you, I know you're approaching slowly, but would you carry on going, or sometime it's better to stop and do your LADA, L-A-D-A?
Better to stop.
What does a LADA mean?
Look.
Yeah.
Assess.
Yes. Decide. And A. Act. There you go. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
And now when you're passing this, what are you going to do? Quick glance on your
left.
Yep, so that's it. Quick glance.
Yeah.
Because before we merge, you do safety all around, isn't it? Yeah. Good.
The car was not indicating, so I can go straight.
Good. Now